Ready to ditch the juggling act and make calls directly from GoHighLevel, boosting your client communication like never before. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. We're starting right here on the dashboard. Navigate to Settings, usually found at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Click on it. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations tab. It might also say Integrations directly on the navigation bar. Once you find it, click there. You'll see a list of available integrations, and we are of course looking for Twilio. On the Twilio integration page, you'll need your account SID, auth token, and Twilio phone number. These can be found on your Twilio account dashboard. So let's switch over to Twilio briefly. Make sure you have an active Twilio account before continuing. On your Twilio dashboard, locate your account SID and auth token. These are unique identifiers for your Twilio account. Copy these credentials. Might be necessary to click a button to reveal the auth token. Once revealed, make sure you copy it safely. Now, return to GoHighLevel. Paste the account SID and auth token into their respective fields in the Twilio integration settings. Then, enter your purchased Twilio phone number in the designated field. It's vital that you enter the full phone number, including the country code. Head back to the Settings menu, then head to Phone Numbers. Here you can select which Twilio number to use as your default caller ID. You can also configure settings like call recording and voicemail. This ensures all your calls are tracked and professional. With Twilio integrated, go to any contact profile within GoHighLevel. You should now see a call button. Click it to initiate a call directly from the platform. A dialer interface will pop up, allowing you to make and manage calls with ease. You can also access call history and recordings for each contact. Now you can ditch the multiple apps, enhance your customer interactions, and streamline communication all within GoHighLevel.